not done
Not
yet.
over yet.
Still going.
I'm just amazed at the stream of shit that's just falling out of that's just bound.
It's getting rained on. Like,
Yeah. Oh, it's like amazing.
Be covered in ash. Keeper.
They got to do this every freaking year.
Yeah, Screw Jones Beach.
I'll go on the Patrick Boat next year.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
That would be really awesome. You think Jimmy took his boat out?
No, probably not. They're probably sleeping.
Oh, cool. Saturn.
it's raining.
See the kid now. Saturn in the
I'm
middle.
gonna let stay in there.
She's for now. Let's get out of here. One of them looked at his buddies and was like, "You guys done with this? This is terrible. Let's get out of here."
He says, really?
No, but that's what had to happen. You guys cool on this?
You want to beat the rust out of you?
Wow.
Yeah, 27 walking down the path.
That was funny. It's funny.
Did you give me fake glass there?
Yeah.
But the finale happened like 7 times already.
Yeah,
I know.
I can't see the whole way.
I like the fish. The fish were really
Oh,
cool.
I had never seen that before. Those are cool. Are you videotaping?
Yeah, a little bit. Oh, it's a heart.
Oh, they missed a perfect picture. They had the perfect shot.
Oh.
I thought it was coming up, which is why I put my phone on, and it doesn't look like it is.
What it just is like.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
And the finale's going to be
What was that? That was cool.
Oh, it's like, yes, that's what it was.
It's so cool. Like, it looks like it's coming at
It
you.
looks like an eyeball or something.
Oh, it looks like a fish.
That
That one looked like a fish.
Oh, a little whale. Ooh.
Wow.
Love those. I love those.
Wow.
Wow, those are my favorite.
I like the ones that like scurry.
Yeah, no, those are pretty.
These.
I like the ones that like rain gold. Gold spot, like those ones. Those are the ones.
Okay.
Look how big that is.
I know.
Imagine being right on the back. Like,
Yeah, that's what I was saying to Michelle. These guys got balls.
There's a
oh,
scurry.
yeah.
I've never seen them this big, man. They are giant.
No, yeah, this is nothing.
Yeah, this is really big because we're pretty far
The
away.
only thing we had to this was upstate. It was just like this, but it was inside a mountain. So imagine being surrounded with everything was like super loud.
Oh, yeah.
It was awesome. We got to do it one year.
They were like over our heads, like they were like right there.
Cool.
These are huge.
Wow. What is even happening right now?
Lots of sparkling.
Ow! Why are you trying to fight me?
I'm not.
If you are your foot, so that way it's facing me.
Wow, those last a really long time.
Yeah, right? Residuals. That's it?
No way. It's going to be one last hurrah, so.
Yeah, the train's sliding out of finale, Kim.
Just lighting one match.
They might.